Hi, this is Mick Elliott of Electronic Specifier at Embedded World. I'm with Maurizio Gavardoni of Maxim Integrated, who launched yesterday a series of LIDAR ICs which will enable autonomous cars to drive faster without risk of collision. Maurizio, can you talk us through some of the characteristics of these devices?
Yes, first of all, I'd like to say that these devices are for the LIDAR signal chain. We are talking about a Transimpedance Amplifier family, which connects directly to a photodiode, and along with the photodiode converts the optical energy from the LIDAR laser pulses into electrical signals. And then we have a comparator, high-speed comparator, down the stream that is used to detect precisely where what the time of flight measurement is. So the unique characteristic of these two devices, the Transimpedance Amplifier in particular, and the high-speed comparator, is that we offer the highest bandwidth, signal bandwidth available, which is unmatched of anything existing today in the industry. In particular, if you look at the Transimpedance Amplifier, we're talking about a 2x higher bandwidth than anything available today. So with that enables us for the LiDAR system, allows the system to have a higher resolution of the measurement, being able to determine objects in front of a car that might be as far as 200 meters away from the car itself, with a resolution down to a few centimeters. Okay. In turn, that enables the autonomous driving system to make decisions quicker and therefore to drive at a higher speed. We estimate that additional driving speed to be about 10 miles per hour.
Okay, and I think alongside the devices there are also some reference boards and evaluation kits as well?
Yes, that is correct. We have had a partnership with an optical sensor company that makes photodiode arrays. This company is called First Sensor, and we developed this evaluation kit with them, which basically includes their photodiode arrays, okay, and our transimpedance amplifier, and along with our high-speed comparator. So we developed the full signal chain for the receiving side of the LiDAR along with this company.
Okay, Maurizio, thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Embedded World, and I'm on the Maxim Integrated stand. Yesterday, Chris Ardis, the Executive Director of the Microcontroller Group, started a presentation with the motto, "Ruining Hackers' Lives." And to do this, Maxim has launched a physically unclonable function to an ARM microcontroller. So Chris, could you talk us through some of the features and characteristics of this launch?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got a long history doing secure microcontrollers, especially for the payment terminal space. And what we wanted to do was bring that same very, very high level of security to the broader market, especially for the IoT, where we see a need for physically protecting devices that are going to be out in the field for 5 years, 10 years, who knows how long they're going to be out in the field. And we found this as to be a great opportunity to bring our PUF technology, or physically unclonable feature technology, to the market, and we call it chip DNA.
Okay, and this is specifically for IoT, or has it got a broad range of applications?
We're seeing a broad range of applications. The microcontroller itself is actually, when you look beyond the security components of it, is actually pretty broad based. It's got the usual UART spies, I2C, things like that you'd expect to see. It's got a lot of memory. It's got 2 megabytes of memory, which is very secure because we use the PUF key to encrypt that, and we decrypt on the fly as we execute. And so it's otherwise a pretty good general purpose microcontroller for many, many different applications.
Okay, and in terms of power efficiency, it's up there, yeah?
For sure. It borrows technology from our wearable micros product line, where we're already successful in things like sports watches and things like that are super concerned about active mode power as well as backup power when they're in sleep mode.
Okay, and the product is up and available now and from Maxim and distributors, or?
Absolutely. So it's available through all our distributors. It's available from Maxim, and in addition, it's the first secure microcontroller that we're doing where we don't require an NDA. In the past, normally these products from us and our competitors are protected by NDA because they're pretty specific, and we know who the customers are. But in this case, we're releasing this to the broad market. We've got low-cost development boards. We're making it available to everybody with very little friction.
Okay, Chris, that's terrific. Thank you very much.
Thank you.